Welcome back, Switchback Trading, another model here on the 5-second chart. So I'll break it down for you guys. We have price made a high, came down, made a low, right? So let's put the fibs on it. All right, so there's the high, there's the low. So this one, it crossed above the 25% retracement level. However, the EMA was quite far away. So you could have went long here, more of a high risk, but you put your stop there. So that's 78 to 72, 6-point stop, 7-point stop. That's worth it in my view. And then when it crossed above the EMA, that's extra confirmation. So you could have took profit there, or you could have added to your winning position and looked to take profit TP to the 75% retracement. If you would have held 100% retracement all the way up to the prior high. And this trade took exactly how long? You get in there, 324, geez, 27, is that 4 minutes? 4 minutes from 78 all the way up to 93. That's a 15-point scalp. 15-point scalp in 4 minutes. Switchback trading model. You need to learn this model, people.